Hi there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are so excited to show you something truly special, a beautiful different heart shape in a different style by using Adobe Illustrator. Alright, let's fire up Adobe Illustrator and get those creative shapes. First thing first, let's start with a simple rectangle to make a heart shape. Grab a rectangle tool and by holding shift key, draw a rectangle like so. And now change its color to red. We don't need this stroke. And now rotate it around 315 degree from the top corner. Hold and while holding a shift key, rotate like this. And now take a anchor point tool, again by holding a shift key, just drag to the upside like this. Now you have a beautiful heart shape. Now to make a duplicate, alt and drag. Now let's change its color. To make a duplicate, hold and drag like this. Now let's create some different shapes in different style. Now for this particular shape I'm gonna add some stroke. Again make a duplicate and again add some stroke. Change its color to red. Click on stroke panel. Click on round cap and check on dashed lines. Put the value around 10 or maybe 11. Then press enter. Again make a duplicate, another one. And now this time we are gonna create some different style. Go to effect, stylize and scribble. I'm gonna put the variation value around 12 or maybe 7. Just click on OK. Again make a duplicate. Go to effect, stylize and scribble. And now this time change the setting, choose sketch and click on OK. Again make a duplicate and go to effect, stylize and scribble. Now this time I'm gonna choose dense. Click on OK. And now you have a different kind of shapes and in a different style. And now this time I'm gonna choose zigzag. And that's our heart shapes is now ready to steal the spotlight. With these steps you can create charming handmade heart shapes in Adobe Illustrator. Feel free to customize and experiment to make it uniquely yours. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share your own creative journey with us in the comment below. Until next, keep creating and keep inspiring.